guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Gracie. And without further ado, pasok na natin ang intro. Ayan. So our topic for today is, as I've promised, ituturo ko po kung paano mag-send from GCash to our Maya wallet. In order for us to save in our Maya savings account, kailangan natin mag-send or mag-cash in sa ating Maya wallet. Ayan. So, in this video, I will show you in this next slide kung paano natin isi-send from GCash to Maya wallet ang ating mga funds. Okay? So, let's go! Ayan guys, ganun lang po kadali. If may mga katanungan po kayo, you can comment down below and I'll try my best to answer everything as long as it's related sa ating topic. And guys, kung meron po kayong mga experiences or questions, comment nyo lang po dyan para tayo makatulong sa ating mga kapwa. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and please follow all my social media pages. All the links down on the description box. Thank you so much and God bless us all. Bye!